afternoon to all. Welcome to Exam Tricks Double YouTube channel. Welcome to Exam Tricks Double YouTube channel. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்க. ஜெனரல் நாலேஜ் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். ஜெனரல் நாலேஜ் கொஸ்டின் வந்து 1000 கொஸ்டின் ஆல்ரெடி பார்த்தாச்சு. இப்போ அந்த 1000 கொஸ்டின் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். அதே முடிவு பொறுத்தவரை பார்த்தீங்கன்னா ஹிஸ்ட்ரி, ஜியாகிரபி, பாலிட்டி இருக்குது, எக்கனாமிக் கொஸ்டின் இருக்குது, சோசியல் சயின்ஸில் எல்லாமே இருக்குது. சயின்ஸில் ஃபிசிக்ஸ், கெமிஸ்ட்ரி, பாட்னி, பயாலஜி எல்லா கொஸ்டினும் இருக்குது. கண்டிப்பாக யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். டிஎன்பிஎஸ்சி, எஸ்எஸ்சி, என்டிபிஎஸ்சி எக்ஸாமுக்கு கண்டிப்பாக யூஸ்ஃபுல்லான கொஸ்டின் நிறைய எடுத்துருக்கேன். ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்கள். எல்லா கொஸ்டின் ரொம்ப இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் தான். எதாவது டவுட்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள். கண்டிப்பாக யூஸ்ஃபுல்லாக இருக்கும். வாட்ச் பண்ணுங்கள். 1000 கொஸ்டின் ஆல்ரெடி பார்த்தாச்சு. இப்போ அனந்த 1000 கொஸ்டின் பார்த்துட்டு இருக்கோம். இப்போ கெமிஸ்ட்ரி பார்த்துக்கிட்டு இருக்கோம். கெமிஸ்ட்ரி வந்து 300-400க்கு மேலே கொஸ்டின் கண்டிப்பாக இருக்கும். ஒவ்வொரு சப்ஜெக்ட்லேயும் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா 300-400க்கு மேலே கொஸ்டின் எடுத்திருக்கேன். பாட்னியில் எடுத்திருக்கேன், பயாலஜியில் இருக்குது, பாலிட்டி இருக்குது, ஹிஸ்ட்ரியில் இருக்குது, எக்கனாமிக் கொஸ்டின் இருக்குது, இந்தியன் ஹிஸ்ட்ரியில் இருக்குது, பாலிட்டியில் எல்லாமே நிறைய கொஸ்டின் இருக்குது. வாட்ச் பண்ணுங்கள். எதாவது டவுட்னா கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்கள்.
Chemistry. Sister question answer 1. What is used in preparing matchsticks? Red phosphorus 2. Which are the actinides elements with atomic numbers from 89 to 103? What is the most suitable unit for expressing nuclear radius? Fermi 4. What is the transfer of energy through matter from particle to particle? Conduction 5. Chlorine acts as a bleaching agent only in the presence of which thing? Moisture 6. Which pair of metals are supposed to constitute the internal core of the earth? Nickel and iron 7. What does nail polish remover contain? Acetonate. Select the compound in which chlorine shows oxidation state +7. Chlor-4-9. Which substance is used to retard the setting action of cement? CaSO.2O10. What is the composition of nitrolyme chemical fertilizer? Calcium carbide and nitrogen 11. What are species containing same number of electrons called? Isoelectronic 12. Rusting of iron is an example of which thing? Slow oxidation 13. What is the natural source of hydrocarbon? Biomass. 14. Which is used as a fuel in nuclear power stations in India? Thorium. 15. Which gas is absorbed during photosynthesis? Co-216. What is a mixture of potassium nitrate, powdered charcoal and sulfur called? Gunpowder 17. Which is a major constituent of biogas? Methane 18. Which ore contains both calcium and magnesium? Dolomite 19. Who proposed the atomic principle of matter? Dalton 20. Which two basic forces are able to provide an attractive force between the two neutrons? Gravitational and nuclear 21. When a bond is formed between two atoms, the energy source system will be decreased 22. Element having atomic number 29 is related to D block 23. Which of the following particle being charged negatively? Electron 24. Cathode rays are stream of electrons 25. Which of the following element is most electronegative? Fluorine 26. Which of the following determines the chemical properties of an element? Number of electrons 27. The product equivalent weight and valency of an element is equal to atomic weight. 28. Orientation of atomic orbital is controlled by magnetic quantum. Number 29. Who is awarded by Nobel Prize for the discovery is neutron? Chadwick 30. An element atomic number 17 and mass number 36, then number of neutrons present in it 19. Remove watermark 1 share PDF element. General Studies. Chemistry. Sister question answer 1. Which of the following has maximum mass? Neutron 2. Atoms having equal number of protons but different number of neutrons are called isotopes. 3 atoms having same no of neutron but different no of electrons or protons are called isotones. 4 nucleotides have same atomic number are called isotopes. 5. What is the value of Avogadro number? 6.023 times 1023 6. Which of the following is not a nucleon? Positron 7. Chemical behaviors of an element depends upon its number of electrons revolving around nucleus. 8. Atomic nuclei are composed of protons and neutrons. 9. The fundamental particles that composed an atom are proton, electron, neutron. 10. What are the fundamental elements of an atom? Electron, proton, neutron. 11. Electronic configuration of element atomic number 20 is 2, 8, 8, 2, 12. Who discovered the element atomic number 106? Seaborg 13. Mark the compound which possesses ionic, covalent and coordinate bond, NH4Cl14. Property of ammonia is in its aqueous solution red litmus turns to blue litmus. 15. Paper of old books turns to brownish color due to oxidation of cellulose. 16. Which of the following is strongest oxidizing agent? Fluorine. 17. Positive oxidation state of oxygen is possible only in of 2. 18. What is the oxidation number of nickel in K4, Ni, Cn, 4. 019. If MgCl2 contains 1 million of Mg2 plus ions, then how many chloride ions are present in it? 2 million. 20. When helium atom loses electron, then it becomes positive helium ion. 21. The mass number of a nucleus is sometimes more and sometimes equal to its atomic number. 22. The weight of 6.023 times 1022 atoms of carbon is 1-2 gram. 23. Which of the following particle has the dual nature of particle wave? Electron. 24. Mass number is the sum of protons and neutrons. 25. An alloy used in making heating elements for electric heating devices is nichrome. 26. The use of heat treatment of ore that includes smelting and roasting is termed as pyrometallurgy. 27. Which of the following does not contain silver? German silver 28. Aluminum is extracted from bauxite 29. The ore of aluminum is bauxite 30. Brass contains copper and zinc. Remove watermark 1 share PDF element. 167. General Studies. Chemistry. Sister question answer 1. Brass is made of copper and zinc too. Maximum permissible concentration of copper in drinking water in mgl is 2.03. Brass gets discolored in air due to the presence of which gas in air? Hydrogen sulfide, H2S. 4. Which type of glass is used for making glass reinforced plastic? Fiberglass. 5. Purification of copper is done by ELECTROLYTIC decomposition. 6. Non-metal found in liquid state is bromine. 7. The phenomenon of ejection of electrons from the metal surface when a light of suitable frequency falls on it is called photoelectric effect. 8. Acute lead poisoning is also known as plumbism. 9. Which of the following metal has least melting point? Mercury. 10. Which of the following metal forms amalgam with other metals? Mercury. 11. Amalgam is an alloy in which the base metal is mercury. 12. What is Bayer's reagent? Alkaline potassium permanganate. 13. Hygroscopic substances are those substances which readily absorb water vapors. 14. Rusting of iron is due to oxidation. 15. The rusting of iron metal in air needs both oxygen and moisture. 16. Which of the following is required for the rusting of iron? Oxygen and water. 17. Iron rusts quickly in sea water. 18. The rusting of iron increases its weight. 19. Which of the following is not a chemical change? Conversion of water into steam. 20. If the bullets could not be removed from gunshot injury of a man, it may cause poisoning by lead. 21. The ratio of pure gold in 18-karat gold is 75%. 22. The king of metal is gold. 23. German silver contains following metals: copper, zinc, nickel. 24. Which of the following is not contained by the German silver? Silver. 25. Which metal is used to galvanize iron? Zinc. 26. To protect the iron from getting rusted, the coat of zinc is applied on it. This process is known as galvanization. 27. Ultra purification of a metal is done by zone melting. 28. Glass is a supercooled liquid. 29. Which of the following contains high content of lead? High octane fuel. 30. Which of the following is not favorable to prevent iron from rusting? Annealing. Remove watermark 1 share PDF element. General Studies. Chemistry. Sister question answer 1. Which of the following is responsible for extra strength of Pyrex glass? Borax. 2. Which one of the following metals does not react with water to produce hydrogen? Cadmium. 3. Which one of the following reacts with Fehling's solution? HCHO. 4. Sodium vapor lamps glow with yellow light. This is due to sublimation of sodium to emit yellow color. 5. The element which does not occur in nature but can be formed is radium. 6. Which of the following elements behave chemically both as metal and a non-metal? Boron. 7. Which of the following metal has maximum electrical conductivity? Silver. 8. Which of the following is most bad conductor? Lead. 9. Bronze is an alloy of copper and tin. 10. Shock absorbers are usually made of steel as it has higher elasticity. 11. Identify the metal which is non-toxic in nature. Gold. 12. Which of the following metal is found in free state in nature? Gold. 13. Most important ore of lead is galena. 14. Which of the purest commercial form of iron? Wrought iron. 15. Which of the following is purest form of iron? Wrought iron. 16. Which one of the following is known as the brown coal? Lignite. 17. Which one of the following is not a coal variety? Dolomite. 18. The iron ore which contains 72% of iron is magnetite. 19. Which one of the following is an iron ore? Magnetite. 20. Which one of the following mineral does not contain oxygen? Cryolite. 21. Which metal is protected by the layer of its own oxide? Aluminum. 22. There are only two metals that are non-silver in color. They are copper and gold. 23. Siderite is an ore of iron. 24. Which of the following process is used in the extraction of iron from the iron ore? Reduction. 25. Which one of the following metals cannot be used as an electromagnet? Copper. 26. Quartz is a type of silicon dioxide. 27. Raw materials used in the manufacturing of glass are soda, limestone, silica, sand, ash. 28. Ruby and sapphire are the oxides of aluminum. 29. Which of the following is used in welding broken pieces of iron rails and parts of machine? Aluminum powder. 30. Which one of the following does not present in the stainless steel? Tungsten. Remove watermark Wondershare PDF element. General Studies. Chemistry. Sister question answer 1. The addition of gypsum to Portland cement helps in preventing rapid settling of cement. 2. Who discovered cement? Joseph Aspdin. 3. Air pollution by fly ash is caused by cement industry. 4. Cement is formed by strongly heating a mixture of limestone and clay. 5. Cement is a mixture of calcium silicate and calcium aluminate. 6. Which one of the following metals is used to heat up the electric iron? Nichrome. 7. Which of the following is strongest coagulant? Aluminum chloride. Alt. 3. 8. The base used as an antacid is magnesium hydroxide MgO2. Which of the following metal is found in free state? Copper. 10. Which one of the following is used in pencils? Graphite. 11. In graphite, layers are held together by van der Waals forces. 12. Which one among the following is lubricant? Graphite. 13. 1 carat of diamond is equal to 200 milligrams. 14. Which of the following are properties is generally found in non-metals? Brittleness. 15. What is wood spirit? Methyl alcohol. 16. Firefighting cloths are made from asbestos. 17. The gas causes acid rain in an industrial area is sulfur dioxide. 18. Acid rain in the environment is caused by the higher concentration of SO2 and number 219. Which one of the following is used to dissolve noble metals? Aqua regia. 20. Aqua regia is a mixture of the following in the ratio 1:3 by volume: conc HNO3 and conc CHL. 21. Sulfuric acid is dibasic. 22. Fullerene is a newly discovered crystalline carbon allotrope, contains 60 C atoms. 23. Catalytic converters are generally made from transition metals. 24. The first time atomic bomb was released at Hiroshima. 25. Hydrogen bomb is based upon the principle of uncontrolled nuclear fusion. 26. Which type of reaction produces the most harmful radiation? Fission. 27. How many countries explored the atom bomb before India? 528. Chocolate may harmful to health because they contains high quantity of lead. 29. Gunpowder was discovered by Roger Bacon. 30. Gunpowder is a mixture of nitrate, sulfur and charcoal. Remove watermark 1 share PDF element. General studies. Chemistry. Sister question answer 1. Which of the following mixture caused the explosion of TNT? Trinitrotoluene, ammonium nitrate. 2. Which of the following isotope is used in the production of nuclear energy? U-235. 3. High amount of energy is released in the explosion of atomic bomb is due to conversion of mass into energy. 4. Tritium is an isotope of hydrogen. 5. In India, nuclear weapon was tested at Pokhran. 6. Nuclear power reactor act on the principle of fission. 7. The two elements which are used to absorb the neutrons in nuclear fission during chain reaction: boron and cadmium. 8. Fuel used in nuclear reactor is uranium. 9. Graphite is used as a in nuclear reactors. Moderator. 10. Heavy water used as a coolant in nuclear reactor. Heavy water is water containing heavy isotopes of hydrogen atom. 11. In nuclear reactor, neutrons are slowed down by the moderator. 12. Who discovered the natural radioactivity? Henry Becquerel. 13. Radioactive decay of uranium resulted the formation of final product lead. 14. Uranium eventually decays into a stable isotope of lead. 15. In the treatment of skin disease, the radioisotope used is radiophosphorus. 16. Radioactivity is measured by Gigamuller counter. 17. The most suitable unit to express the nuclear radius is Fermi. 18. Radioactive noble gases are in. 19. There is no change in radioactive element, mass or change, during gamma emission 20. Radioactivity is the fission of nucleus 21. Quality of petrol expressed in terms of octane number. 22 in LPG cylinder under the high pressure mainly mixture of gases filled in liquid form propane and butane. 23 kitchen or cooking gas is a mixture of butane and propane. 24 PNG, piped natural gas, is used for cooking. 25 tetraethyl lead, is an anti-knock compound. 26 wax used for making candles is chemically a mixture of aliphatic hydrocarbons. 27 petroleum is a mixture of hydrocarbons. 28 glycol is added to aviation gasoline because it prevents freezing of petrol. 29 water is not effective in extinguishing a fire caused by petrol because water and petrol are immiscible with each other and petrol which forms upper layer continues to burn. 30 diesel oil is preferred for heavy motor vehicles because it has more capacity and fuel save. Remove watermark 1 PDF element. General studies. Chemistry. Sister question answer 1. The temperature of oxyacetylene flame is around 32000 C2. Rayon is formed by cellulose 3. Polyethylene is formed by ethylene 4. Glycogen, cellulose and starch are the polymers of glucose 5. The process of heating of rubber with sulfur to increase its quality is known as vulcanization. 6. Natural rubber is a polymer of isoprene 7. Acetylene is a fibrate. PVC is obtained by the polymerization of vinyl chloride 9. The gas that usually causes explosion in coal mines is methane, CH4, 10. Bakelite and phenol are the polymers of formaldehyde 11. Silicon is a polymer of dialkyl dichlorosilane 12. Which gas used as an anesthetic? Nitrous oxide 13. The drug which lowers anxiety and provide peace tranquilizer 14. The branch of medicine involving synthetic chemical compounds is allopathic 15. The pair of compounds used as anesthetic in medicine is nitrogen dioxide, chloroform 16. Fluid used commonly in making biogas animal waste 17. Gobar gas mainly contains methane 18. Main constituent of air is nitrogen 19. Zinc phosphide is commonly used as rodenticide 20. Oxides of sulfur present in atmosphere washed down by rain to cause lowering of pH of soil 21. Greenhouse effect means trapping of solar energy due to carbon dioxide. 22. Depletion of ozone layer is mainly due to chlorofluorocarbons. 23. Which atmospheric gas absorbs ultraviolet rays? Ozone. 24. Pasteurization is a process in which milk is heated at 630 C for 30 min. 25. Combustion is a chemical process. 26. Chief pollution of smoke of cigarette is carbon monoxide and nicotine. 27. Smoke of tobacco is injurious to health because it contains nicotine. 28. Producer gas is highly poisonous due to the presence of carbon monoxide. 29. It is not advisable to sleep under the tree at night because trees release carbon dioxide. 30. The calorie requirement of the body increases in winter as compared to summer because more calories are necessary to sustain body temperature. Remove watermark 1-PDF element. General studies. Chemistry. Sister question answer 1. Microorganism which monitor the air pollution lichen 2. Substance used highly as a food preservative sodium salts of benzoic acids 3. Supersonic jet causes pollution by thinning of O3 layer 4. Bhopal gas tragedy was caused by methyl isocyanate 5. Freon is used as a coolant 6. Coolant, freon, is dichloromethane 7. Which gas is used for the artificial ripening of green fruits? Ethylene 8. Aspirin is common name of acetyl salicylic acid 9. Chemical name of gamma-zane is benzene hexachloride 10. Main gaseous pollutant of thermal power plants is SO2 11. Acid rain destroy vegetation because it contains sulfuric acid 12. A hard fluid present in smog which causes irritation in eyes is peroxyacetyl nitrate 13. Acid rain is caused due to pollution of atmosphere by oxides of nitrogen and sulfur 14. The inert gas used as beacon light is neon 15. Hydrogen was discovered by Cavendish 16. Paper is made by cellulose of plants. 17. Litmus is obtained from lichen. 18. Which gas is used as a disinfectant in drinking water? Chlorine 19. Black lung disease occurs in people working in coal mines 20. Burning of candle is an exothermic reaction 21. In the industrial production of vegetable ghee, the process involved is reduction 22. Gas used in the production of vegetable ghee is hydrogen 23. Cooking oil is converted into vegetable ghee by the process of hydrogenation 24. In a reaction of type A plus B C plus D, one could ensure it to be a first-order reaction by increasing the concentration of a product 25. Bagasse is used in the manufacturing of paper 26. Size of suspended particles lies between 10.5–10.7 cm 27. An emulsion is a colloid of a liquid in a liquid 28. Milk is an emulsion 29. A colloidal system in which a liquid is dispersed in a liquid is called emulsion 30. A gas thermometer is more sensitive than a liquid thermometer because a gas expands more than a liquid. Remove watermark 1-PDF element. General studies. Chemistry. Sister question answer 1. Nitrogen has higher ionization energy than oxygen because in nitrogen there is half-filled stable configuration in 2p-orb2. In deep-sea diving, divers use a mixture of gases consisting of oxygen and nitrogen, N3. The gas dissolved in water that makes it basic is ammonia 4. Which metal is extracted from sea water? Magnesium 5. The physical method commonly used to purify sea water is distillation 6. Sea water can be purified by the process of distillation 7. Soda water contains CO28. A liquid is said to be boiled when its vapor pressure is equal to the surrounding pressure. 9. Hygroscopic objects are those which instantly absorb water vapors. 10. Quantity, amount, of water vapors present in atmosphere is measured in the form of humidity. 11. Spirit in contact with body gives cool sensation because it is highly volatile. 12. Cloud is a colloidal of water drop in a dispersion medium of air. 13. Light scattering take place in colloidal solution. 14. What is the fourth state of matter? Plasma. 15. Muddy water is treated with alum in purification process coagulation. 16. Alum is used for the water treatment in the process named coagulation. 17. Suspended colloidal particles in water can be removed by the process of coagulation. 18. Alum stops bleeding in a minor cut because of coagulation. 19. What is the meaning of reader in wastewater treatment process? Container. 20. Iodine can be separated from a mixture of iodine and potassium chloride by sublimation. 21. Water does not evaporate if stenographer humidity. 22. The amount of chlorine available in water after disinfection called as residual chlorine. 23. What will be the form of nitrogen in sewage water is completely oxidized? Nitrate. 24. When water itself combines chemically with some element or mineral, it is called hydration. 25. Heavy water means water containing maximum density. 26. What is the chemical composition of heavy water? D2O. 27. Heating of ore in the absence of air below its melting point is called calcination. 28. Water can be separated from the mixture of water alcohol by the process distillation. 29. Iron and manganese are removed by the process of filtration. 30. What changes will happen to a ball of ice and water kept at exactly 0 degrees Celsius? No change will happen. Remove watermark 1- PDF element. General Studies. Chemistry. Sister question answer 1. The process of ozonation in water treatment is known as disinfection. 2. Charcoal is used in water treatment as an adsorbent. 3. Detergents used for cleaning cloths and utensils contains sulfonates. 4. Detergent cleans the surface on the principle of surface tension. 5. Aqueous hydrolysis of sucrose formed glucose and fructose. 6. Glucose is a type of hexose sugar. 7. Dry ice is a solid type of carbon dioxide. 8. Water gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. 9. Enzyme which coagulate the milk into curd. Renin. 10. Process of removal of calcium and magnesium is known as water softening. 11. Phenolics as pollutant can be removed from wastewater by use of ion exchange method. 12. Highly polluting industries comes under the category of red. 13. When hydrogen combusts in air, then formed water, H2O. 14. Gas used as a fire extinguisher is carbon dioxide, CO2. 15. Chemically lime water is calcium hydroxide. 16. 16. Which gas is used for converting vegetable oils into saturated fats? H2, hydrogen. 17. Heat transfer horizontally within atmosphere is called advection. 18. Chemical name of bleaching powder is calcium hypochlorite. 19. Lime water becomes milky when exposed to air due to the presence of carbon dioxide. 20. Venturimeter is used to measure the rate of flow of liquid. 21. The two specific heats of gases are related by Cp/Cv is equal to Rj. 22. What is the main source of manufacturing of nitrogenous fertilizer? Ammonia. 23. What is the average value of salt present in sea water? 3.5%. 24. Percentage of lead in lead pencils is 0.25. The material used in the manufacture of lead pencil is graphite. 26. What happens during the charging of lead-operated battery? Consumption of sulfuric acid. 27. Plaster of Paris is made by the partial dehydration of gypsum salt. 28. Nonmetal found in liquid state. Bromine. 29. Isomer of ethyl alcohol is dimethyl ether. 30. Froth flotation process is used for the metallurgy of sulfide ore. Remove watermark 1 PDF element. General Studies. Chemistry. Sister question answer 1. Which silver salt is used for making film of photography? Silver bromide, AgBr. 2. The chemical name of hypo commonly used in photography is sodium thiosulfate. 3. Conversion of heat into electric energy is achieved by using thermocouple. 4. Hydrochloric acid is also known as muriatic acid. 5. Disadvantage of using DDT as pesticide is not easily degradable in nature. 6. pH scale ranges from 0-14.7. The maximum density of water is at 40 C8. In a rechargeable cell, what kind of energy is stored within the cell? Chemical energy. 9. The acid used in the lead storage cell is sulfuric acid. 10. Which acid is stored in batteries? Sulfuric acid. 11. The mercury and sodium street lamps light up become of atomic emission. 12. What is asbestos? Magnesium silicate. 13. Chemically, philosopher wood is a zinc oxide, ZnO. 14. Chemical name of common salt is sodium chloride. 15. Sodium chloride or table salt occurs in nature as the mineral halite. 16. Sodium carbonate, commonly known as washing soda. 17. Chemical formula of washing soda is Na2CO310H2O18. Commercial name of sodium bicarbonate is baking soda. 19. Chemical name of baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. 20. Chili saltpeter is the common name of sodium nitrate, NaNO3. 21. The process of conversion of sugar into alcohol is known as fermentation. 22. Vinegar is the chemical name of acetic acid. 23. Vinegar formed by the fermentation of cane sugar contains acetic acid. 24. Electrolysis of copper sulfate solution with copper electrodes gives copper at cathode and oxygen at anode. 25. Tip of matchstick contains red phosphorus 26. Green color seen in firework displays due to the chloride salt of barium 27. The acid which fails to liberate carbon dioxide from sodium carbonate is carbonic acid 28. Mortar is a mixture of water, sand, slate, lime 29. Most commonly bleaching agent is chlorine 30. Helium gas is filled in the balloon instead of hydrogen because it's non-combustible. Remove watermark Wondershare PDF element. 176. General Studies. Chemistry. Sister question answer 1. Why helium gas used in balloons? It's lighter than air 2. Which gas is filled in balloons? Helium 3. The main cause of air pollution in big cities is suspended particle 4. The word brown air is used for photochemical smoke 5. Which affected the Taj Mahal? Which affected the Taj Mahal? 6. Hydrogen sulfide is a colorless gas with rotten egg smell 7. What is peroxyl? Macropollutant 8. Burning pyrites ore gives out sulfur dioxide gas 9. Chloroform can be used as anesthetic 10. Sour taste of Coca-Cola is due to phosphoric acid 11. Element with highest ionization energy is helium 12. White phosphorus is placed under the cold water 13. Commonly sodium is kept under the kerosene oil 14. What happens when a drop of glycerol is added to KNO4 spread on paper? The paper ignites 15. Byproduct obtained by soap industry is glycero 16. The process involved in the making of soap is spanification. 17. The antiseptic compound present in Dettol is N-loroxylenol. 18. Main constituent of liquid bleach is sodium hypochlorite 19. Caustic soda is deliquescent 20. Who was the first to explain hydrogen spectrum? Niels Bohr 21. Dry powder fire extinguisher contains sand and sodium bicarbonate 22. Carbon dioxide is a dehydrated agent 23. The most abundant noble gas in the atmosphere is argon 24. The most abundant element on the earth is oxygen. Remove watermark Wondershare PDF element. General Studies.
Okay, thank you to all. இந்த வீடியோ பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்கள், ஷேர் பண்ணுங்கள், சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணுங்கள். தேங்க்யூ டு ஆல்.